Hi everyone, this is part 2 video. In this video, we are going to see two simple C program using if else. What are the programs? This is program number 4. Just we are following the part 1, finding the second largest number, and the next one is calculator, getting the two inputs, integer and one characters. Based on that symbol, we'll find the value, addition, subtraction, multiplication, like that. Before getting into these programs, I'll explain very clearly about if and elif, that is else if. Suppose we need to check the for condition. I have two options. Either I can go for if, for if, or else I can go with one if condition, two elif, and one else. Is there any difference between these two scenarios? Yes, there is a difference. What is the difference? Here, coming to the first scenario, if I'm checking the condition with the for if condition, all the four conditions can be the true. Yes, first condition can be a true, second can be the true, third can be the true. And or else, all the four condition can be a false. Okay? Any possibilities we can come here. So, two condition can be a false, two conditions can be a true. Like that, we have a different combination we can have. But coming to the second scenario, out of the four conditions for a statement, definitely only one should be the true. Rest of the three should be the false condition. Suppose if condition is true means definitely the rest of the three are false. Understood? So this is what I want to convey the things clearly. Now we'll get into the program. I'll take the compiler now. Program number 4, finding second largest number. You may think that this is an easy program. Yes, I accept this is easy, but we need to be very careful about some test cases. See, what are the possibilities of the test cases? The user may give all the three numbers are equal, like this. In this case, what is answer? Answer is what? Answer is 10 only. Okay. Suppose user may give 10, 10, 11. Okay. In this case, what is answer? Yes, 10. Okay. Or else they may give like 10, 11, 10. Again, what is answer? 10. Or they may give like 11, 10, 10. Okay. Here also the answer is 10. So whatever may be the conditions, we have to print the second largest number. So we have to think about all the possibility test cases. Accordingly, we have to write the coding. Fine. So coming to the logics now, how many number of, first of all, tell me how many number of variables we need? 3 variables. 3 inputs we are going to get. So 3 variables. Let's say A, B, C. Fine. We'll give some prompt messages. So after the receiving input, I'll tell the logics. So enter 3 numbers. We'll scan this. We'll scan everything in a single statement. What are the variables? Address of A, address of B, and address of C. Right. Now we receive the output. Now I will discuss about the logics now. So what I'm going to do, here we need to be very careful. Number 1. So I'm going to split into 3 blocks. First block, that is, name of the block is A block. Okay. Name of the block is A block. Right. Next, number 2. Name of the block is B block. Number 3. Name of the block is C block. Fine. What is A block? So among the 3 number, one number definitely should be the greatest, largest, correct? Let's say A is a largest number. That is a first category, first block. See, if you come to know A is the largest number, then the fight is between B versus C. That is, the second largest number can be the either B or C. Definitely A cannot be the second largest number. When if you are doing the things in the first block, that what is the first block? A block. Means A is the largest number in the first block. Understood? Right. So coming to the second block. So if we come to know the B is the largest number, then definitely the second largest number can be either A or C. The same way, coming to the last block, that is C, sometimes C can be the largest number, right? In that cases, second largest number can be A or B. Okay, right. So I am going to write the program in this scenario. Right. Tell me how to find the largest of three numbers. I'm going to test the condition. If A or E sometimes have clearly given some sample test cases, numbers may be similar. So we need to go for greater than or equal to. Is A greater than or equal to B as well as means and logical and A is greater than or equal to C means what we say. So that is A block. A block means what is our output? What should be the output? Either B or C. Now, the fight is between only B and C. If B is greater than C, then we can say B is the second largest number. So again, getting inside, I'm checking the condition if B is greater than C or equal to. Okay. So we can tell second largest number is B. Percentage D, comma B. Else. I'm writing the else condition for the line number 9. We are not writing the else condition for line number 7. We are inside the block of if condition. We are inside the 7th line if block. Okay. I named it like A block. Okay. We'll copy this. Second largest number is C in this case. We have done with the first block. What is first block? A block. Now we'll move to second block. If this condition is fails, definitely A can be the largest or C can be the largest. Now we'll write the logic for B can be the largest. Else if B is greater than or equal to A, as well as that is logical AND operator, B is greater than or equal to C. So I'm getting inside the another block. Now fight is between A and C. If A is greater than C, and also we have to include equal to, we can tell we'll copy this print statement, we'll make it here. Copying and put it here. Second largest number is what here? A. Suppose the line number 16 fails means definitely the second largest number is yes, C. That's it. We have done with the two blocks. What are the blocks we have completed? See, listen carefully. We have done the two blocks. First block is A block. A block means the result will be either B or C. Coming to the second block. What is second block? LF block. That is B is the greatest. If B is the greatest number among the three, definitely the second largest number either A or C. So we have written, see, listen, A or C, the second block. The same way we have to write the last block. What is the last block? C is the largest. So here we don't want to check the condition. If the above two conditions are, above two blocks are failing, this is automatically, so it is going to be the C is the greatest. So I can write like a else block. Now, again we'll check the condition. If A is greater than or equal to B, I can say the largest number is A. Else, second largest number is B. That's it. We have completed. Now we'll run this program. First, we'll check the enter three numbers. I'm giving 10, 10, and 10. Second largest number is 10, working properly. And two more test cases. enter 10, 10, 11. Answer should be a 10, right? And one more. Now let us give some 3 different numbers. 7, 8, 1. Second largest number is 7. Yes, working properly. Okay, right. I'll show this in the screen one more time. I'll make it a little smaller so that it will be visible in a single page. Okay. You can note down, or you can take a screenshot, or you can take a notes, whatever you want, you can do it. Right. Let us move to the next program. What is the next program? Creating the calculator. So we'll receive the 2 input from the user, both are integer, and one more symbols. Symbol may be plus, minus, division, multiplication. That's it. We don't want to go for all type of symbols. If suppose he is not giving the valid symbol, we can tell that invalid input. Okay, fine. We need 2 integer input. Let's say A and B, and 1 character. That is simplest character, correct? So S, as usual, we'll give some prompt messages asking enter any number. Actually, enter 2 numbers. Yes, we can scan any number of input in a single line by giving a proper specifier. See, since we are going for 2 values, 2% D should be given there. Again, giving prompt messages to receive symbol or operator. Enter operator. Percentage C here. Fine. So here we might get some error. I'll tell you this later. What would be the error here? So ampersand yes. Now I'm going for if condition. If suppose the symbol is equal to plus. See, what is double equal to? Double equal to means what? Relative operator. We are checking whether the entered symbol is equal to plus or not. So that plus should be enclosed inside the single quote since it is a character. So we can tell the addition is or else the result is. The result is percentage D, comma A plus B. Okay. Suppose the line number 10 if condition fails means it may be the entered symbol may be the minus. If so, we need to find the difference of 2 numbers. We'll make it as minus here. Again, here else if actually. Again, else if symbol may be a star, that is multiplication. In that case, the result is A star B. Okay. Again, if suppose above the 3 conditions are fails means the enter symbol may be the division. Right. Suppose if all the 4 symbols are, all the 4 conditions are wrong means the user have entered any some other randomly the user may enter some symbols. In that case, we need to tell whatever be the other symbols he is entering, we need to tell invalid input. So invalid input. That's it. Fine. We'll run this program now. Enter 2 numbers, 20 and 30. I'm going for yes, I told you, right? So there will be some error in this program. I'll tell you where is the error. It's very simple. I'll give you some challenge. In most of the students, 99% students cannot fix this error. I'll show this code to you now. Can anyone find where the error is? Can you tell the error in the comment sections before I'm telling the solution? Okay, now I'll tell the solutions now. So here we are getting the two input from the user. Both are integer, correct? So again, we are trying to get one characters. After giving some second input, maybe a 30, I'm pressing the enter key in the keyboard, correct? Actually, enter key is also the character. The computer is understanding that the enter key is the input for the character that we are scanning in the line number 9. So here, what we do, before the percentage D, we'll give some space. Now the program will run correctly. So 10 and 20, yes, operator. Yes, we got the result, correct. We go for some else case. So 10, 20, some other symbol randomly I'll give. Percentage symbol I will give. Invalid input. So we have done the two programs. You understand this? So these two programs are mainly I have given here to explain if, else, ladder if, like that. Okay. Thank you all.